YouTube chat, bringing you another reaction video. Shout out to the boy Adrian. Yes, reaction series in full effect. Today we're gonna be watching the homies learn new BMX tricks. Before we get into that, check out my channel 4.3, bunch of videos. Make sure you subscribe, ring the bell, all that. Same thing for Keegan's video, forgot to mention it. His video. But like I said, watching the homies learn new BMX tricks by Adrian. I'm not gonna pronounce your last name. Hey, my bad, I need a mic, bro. Audio sounds like shit. Yada yada yada. Let's get straight into it. 50 seconds later.
Drive the fucking ramp. Drive the fucking ramp. Are you comfortable?
It's like my water bed without the water.
I'm traveling a little bit. I'm landing really
Yo,
far, right?
Adrian, your videos are always fire, bro. Videos are straight fire.
What do you think?
I like what we got going on right now.
I hear nominate Dalton to jump it first.
Yeah, I like that idea.
You're Sawyer now? Sup, Sawyer? You're now Dalton, he's Sawyer. Good thing, you got a court date next week.
Hey,
Johnson gave me the ticket.
bro's hilarious. Hold on. Wait.
Sup, Sawyer? You're now Dalton, he's Sawyer.
Bro's hilarious.
I hear nominate Dalton to jump it first.
Yeah, I like that idea.
You're Sawyer now? Sup, Sawyer? You're now Dalton, he's Sawyer. Good thing, you got a court date next week.
Says who?
Says Deputy Johnson that gave me the ticket. The bars are
Fuck Deputy Johnson.
God.
Feels so weird.
God.
It's a windy day to be smoking.
Whoa, what are y'all doing, bro? Just breaking wood. Lift it up, damn it.
Full measure.
Yo, boys, some fools. Oh my god. Wait.
Whoa, what are y'all doing, bro? Just breaking wood. Lift it up, damn it.
Breaking wood.
Whoa, what are y'all doing, bro? Just breaking wood. Lift it up, damn it.
Yo, chill.
I literally cut the line.
Full measure.
Look at this man's line.
I can't even smoke. Why is he so... Wait. Why is he standing over him like that? Oh shit, bro. I'm dying. Chat.
Push your front into the ground. Okay, well, sorry.
Oh, wait, Sawyer. Get to the front and just lift up the front end. No. There you go. Where you going? Bro, you're
He's doing the most work.
off the ground.
Put me off, because I never jumped the airbag this way.
No, he stepped down. He's talking.
Huh?
Sawyer, I believe, was doing the most
While
work.
I'm sitting there going like this.
Sawyer, he was doing all the work.
Are you still cutting or fucking doing any work? Why you got that fucking pencil staring at you?
I don't know, bro. It's just part of the fit, dog. He's missing a pump. I got Scott's tool and Dwayne's tool and Dak's tube. We can almost build a complete bike. All our shit's everywhere.
A lot going on.
There we go.
So, where do you get this from? Oh shit. Chat, where do we get this from?
Welcome back. It's now the next day. And there's Dalton actually wearing a helmet.
I got tears going down my eyes, bro.
Come on, put your back into it. I know I can't.
Bro had a hat on top of a helmet. Yo, appreciate the editing. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. So good.
Damn, no flip.
Huh?
No flip.
Yeah, I'll flip.
I was waiting for a flip.
Welcome back.
Quick. See you stop moving. I don't know about stop moving.
What's up? You can't make it up?
Are we riding bikes?
What's next?
360. Is he good?
Bro, I landed like with this much space on the right side.
Really?
I landed really far right.
Whip time.
Look at the sky.
I do like an extra lap down there, like a circle down there so I get extra speed.
I went and I was like, oh, did he say go? Wait,
I do
wait.
like an extra circle so I have extra speed. Yeah, Tyler?
Nice.
You gonna tuck it?
Put it in my lap. I put it in my lap and I was just looked at it. He was like, I look good. I'm just gonna punch over and just let go. It's just been like
You gonna do it?
3 years since I'm tucking. It was like fly out.
And then you also gotta do a 360.
I'm not 3-ing that shit.
I
He's
think
telling me to
that's
3 it, dog.
I think he can 3 it.
The ramp keeps moving.
It keeps moving on you?
Yeah. I'm not going straight. I'm like traveling a little bit. You know what I mean? So I don't want
I
to.
get what you're saying.
I don't want to throw it twice and land all sideways.
Is it a user error?
Up that ramp, do a 360 while you're doing 2 360 rotations with your bar spins.
I mean, bar, bro.
That was the best trick ever.
I'm calling him out. One bar
Dick
spin.
to
You need to
crossbar.
throw a single bar.
I keep
Dick
doing
crossbar?
angle bar bumps, bro. I'm going too fast.
Oh, but we're gonna fake it time. See,
I think the scary part about it is the ramp is not wide.
run it up real quick. Go up it, and do it. There you go.
Yeah, do it. Do it.
Oh yeah,
You got this.
you're right.
That
there.
bitch is steep. Wait. Yeah.
I'm gonna try a 3 tuck here.
That was the best 3 tuck I've ever seen in my
Yo,
life.
going to flat.
I'm landing really far right on that airbag.
Yeah. Yo, look at the. Wait. Let's go. That's from.
I'm landing really far right on that airbag.
Let's appreciate the sun rays hitting the clouds. Background. Beautiful. What a great day to ride with your friends. Woohoo!
Dog, you missed it. Sawyer landed, and he rolled off the side. Yo, you good?
Yeah, we hang on. We hang
You
on.
almost died.
We hang on. Yeah, you're try the same thing.
What?
I'm just gonna do it.
Died. Yo, you good?
Holy shit! Yeah. No, that was scary.
Holy
That was scary.
Dog, you missed it. Sawyer landed, and he rode off the side. Yo, you good?
Yeah, we hang on.
We hang on.
We hang
You
on.
almost died.
We hang on.
We hang on. Yeah, you're
We hang
try
on.
the same thing, and I'm just gonna do it.
Yes.
I want to
Yes.
try one of these
Wait.
flyout tricks that I do that I've never like done.
Wait.
before.
Let's get that in slow motion, chat. Let's get that in slow motion. Sorry, music.
I'm gonna try the same thing, and I'm just gonna do it.
I just go do it. Oh wow. Damn.
I wanna.
Yo.
We hang.
You almost died.
We hang on. I'm gonna try the same thing, and I'm just gonna do it.
Talking like Boob Howard. Another beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Neighbors looking outside like, what the fuck? Come get a load of this.
Try one of these flyout tricks that I do that I've never like done before. I might do that again, or I was thinking about bar tuck or something, or tuck to bar. This strap completely came off. Another strap down.
You don't need it.
You got it. Do it. Fuck. No, man. That was it. Little guy. Hey, why you calling him baby for? Hey, Sawyer. It's the end of the video. What about you? Yeah, you end the video. Go ahead.
With like an outro?
Yeah, go ahead.
Oh, okay. Well, I think we're gonna pick this airbag session up here in a few days, maybe next week. Appreciate y'all for coming out and watching the video. Like, subscribe, turn on post notifications. Have a good one. Thank you guys for tuning in. Is that good?
That was great.
The fucking ramp.
W's in the chat, man. Adrian, I love your videos, man. I love your content. Should we do another one, chat? Let's see, chat. Let's see. How we feeling? 12 minutes in. He has a short video. Let's react one more. Colt fake BMX bike check 2025 by Adrian. Back to back with it.
New frame broken in.
W. Just intro, editing, just come on, man.
Apopka Park to do this bike check. My new bike, but I figured, you know what? I might as well just bring all my bikes. Taj's old bike, pink 16-inch, with some band Colt 45 bars. My signature bone deaf frame, the machine with eclat parts. I just put on this red tire, you know, give it kind of more that Terminator feel with the one red eye.
I'll be back.
This is Taj's newer bike, 20-inch Federal Stephen Hamilton frame, version 1, but I put the version 2 Stylish Cyrus sticker on there just for fun. And the 9-tooth cassette mags. That's where it's at. My new baby, just listen to it. Solid. Tractor frame from China. I went to China last year and I met these dudes, rider-owned bike company, and they were cool, and I was like, yeah,
China frame?
One of those frames. New frame, broken in.
Best frame ever. W.
Checker seat and brakeless. Profile, cranks, profile sprocket, Odyssey Trail Mix pedals, Odyssey ink and tires, Odyssey JPEG.
I like what's going on.
Profile, Mark Movable push stem, the Bone Dead Cruciforks, profile mini hubs, profile wheels. Man, I'm so stoked.
I like this beat.
Profile wheels,
Finna
man.
get on, snapping.
I haven't had that in
They
forever.
trying to walk in my shoes. Rapping.
I love that. The bars are flat 9, I think. Well, I got 9 bars because this stem has a high raise, so, and no washers underneath. I think it's perfect height. I like it.
Oh snap, that boy's fitted out, matching the bike and all.
Swag, yeah. I guess
Swag.
it's supposed to match the Colt.
Swag.
The reason why I wanted to get a checker seat because it reminded me of back in the day when I was young. They had the Odyssey Junior seats. They were like for like little kids race bikes, but it's like when worrying about weights first started to come about, early 2000s, and you know everyone was into
You take an ounce off here, all of a sudden you take a whole pound off. Me and some friends, we rode an Odyssey Junior race seat.
There's a bird over there.
They were tiny, and we're like, I never sit on the seat anyways. And it was checkered, so I was like, oh, that reminds me of when I used to
I like
ride
that.
that. 28 tooth,
Solid,
profile,
clean.
full bash guard sprocket. I did want to ride the profile blackjack sprocket because I thought that would look cool in this color.
Oh my.
But they only have the spline drive cranks, and the blackjack isn't spine drive sprocket. So
Bird on the roof.
I
Hey,
went with
bird
full
on
bash
the
because
roof.
I
Yeah.
like to bash my shit anyways.
And we're dead. Nice. And we're dead. Slippy.
Oh my god. Oh, where you do that shit?
Bro, clean video. Oh my god. Yeah.
New frame, broken in.
New frame, broken in, getting checks, getting in. Hey.
Thanks for watching the bike check here at Apopka Skate Park. It's pretty crowded and hectic, but we got some stuff done. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. And comment what your favorite trick was. That worked. Peace.
A Mega 3 fire outro. Adrian fire video, Brody. Keegan, it's your turn. Already had it. Anyways, that was Adrian. 2 videos to come. Subscribe, ring the bell, and see y'all boys next one.